Hello, today is the 10th of September, so we all come back from vacation and also officially MicroProfile vacation period has ended, so back to business. So please add your name to the agenda. So it's kind of also help out with the minutes and etc. So it's let me share my screen. Share. Okay, so it's the first thing basically we have been asking to create a spec pages. So it's basically also is the spec pages will be in here, micro profile, and then we will add the spec pages and then similar to Jakarta EE. This basically is Ryan create all the issues on the marketing, and then John created I think it's the individual corresponding issues on the individual specs. The good news is all these spec draft are available, so which is great. Thank you to the ones who have contributed to the basically filling in the kind of the gaps, and also is for this spec page update exercise. And Ryan has some draft already. However, when I tested the draft, is basically is I got 4. Is I told him I got 4. Let me see, still got 4. I don't know whether, let me see. Whether some other specs would be in better state. Okay, Martin, I don't know. Okay, so this one work. So this one looks work. So Martin, did you get a chance to view this one?
Sorry, what you mean?
Did you get a chance to review the health, the spec page?
Only in the GitHub issue, not some preview which you are probably showing.
Yeah. So can you basically take a look at the this one? So okay, so it's basically he tagged John. So I think probably it will be good if you review it. I mean,
Yeah, okay, I will do that tomorrow.
Yeah, it's in here. So this is how it looks like. Can you see my screen, Martin?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is pretty much, yeah, what it's like. The only thing is, I think is only thing missing is the compatible implementations.
Well, the coordinates are for JWT.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know. Did I go? It might be my fault. Maybe it's kind of the okay. Maybe my fault. It's kind of trying to help fill in the blanks. Maybe I got a copy and paste error. We can have a look. So the page is here. No, it's not my fault. Sorry. It looks like Ryan got that. Yeah, go ahead to put a comment in there, because I remember this bit I put in. So maybe Ryan got copy and paste error. Okay, so that's good. So at least this page you can see and then provide feedback, and we are getting there. So other things basically like we first get the MP 7.0 platform kind of the component spec up first, and then we will work on the standalone specs, such as MicroProfile reactive messaging and others. So it's getting there, which is great. Are there any other feedback and comments for this?
Emily, I must have not been listening. Is there a password to get to that content?
Yes. So so here, if you go to the health, this one, in here, click on link the MP review.
Oh, MP preview. Thank you.
Yeah, M preview. Yeah. Yeah, it's interesting. It's a M preview. So MP review. All work. Okay, so that's good. And is a good lab. Yeah, if anyone have some have some free time, please click to see the kind of. So looks like he got yeah, got probably most of them are done. Just a few kind of the. Okay, this one standalone can go later. For tolerance. Yeah, we just need to create like create a standalone ones. We see this one. So a couple ones for is yeah, few ones okay. Okay, I will talk with Ryan and for him to fix. If you have anyone have any comments, please go ahead to comment on the issue. Okay. Are there any other comments? Okay. If not, the other thing is Taran emailed me today. Yeah, emailed me today. He said he will resume the MicroProfile tutorial, and he would like to come to the call next week. John, are you here now?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, so Taran said I will attend the live hangout and hopefully he will provide an update.
Oh, good. Excellent.
Yeah, I did email him. I said, by the way, if you are available today, we have a call today. Yeah,
Right.
yeah. Anyway,
Well,
so
live hangout or the marketing call next week?
oh, good point.
Double check the calendar, sorry, to make sure it's still scheduled for next week. I'm assuming it is. Yeah, there's a call next week. Probably the marketing call.
Marketing call is earlier, like for him, right? Marketing call is earlier, so
Yeah, it's an hour
which is
earlier.
better. Yeah. Okay. Are there any other questions for the MP tutorial?
No.
Okay. Go ahead.
No, I mean, I don't have
Okay.
question.
Okay. And is MP basically a starter. So at the moment, kind of is the effort has ended because I don't know whether you can. It seems my internet connection is not good. So it's when Rudy and also when Rudy left, and then it's kind of the we don't have any experts to maintain the MP like a starter. I think it's the kind of the we are trying to add MP6, but it couldn't get some tests to pass. So are there anybody from here be able to spend some time to help out? I put I think it's Alfonso or Luis. Did you like trying to help out with the starter?
Yeah, we can try to help with it.
Is there a GitHub issue for that?
Yeah, there's a GitHub issue. So Cesar, so how about it would be good to have you also like help out. We also have meeting for the MP starter, so we can get together like next week. Do you think that could work next week? This is the GMT 4:30 next week, so
I
we
need
can
to
have a
check.
call.
Yeah, I need to check it. Fine, but I would like to. I was trying to navigate around the meeting notes to get a more sense, to have better context, because at this point I don't know what that help actually means. It says update forms, so that
Yeah, so MicroProfile starter.
are updates that needs to be done to. I recall there from time to time versions we need to update there.
Yeah, so Majid got stuck with update MP6, couldn't get a test to pass. So the issue is trying to add basically this one.
Got it.
So
I
Luis,
can take a look at it during the week. So if I am able to join the call that you pointed out on your calendar, I will definitely bring something if I am able to. But I will follow up on the GitHub issue for sure.
okay, so that would be good. Thank you. Thank you.
And the only point is that on Monday we have lots of meetings at Payara, so it's almost impossible to me to participate on meetings on Monday, you know.
Yeah,
Okay.
in Mexico it's Independence Day, so
Oh, Independence Day.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's because every week we have planning and refinements on Mondays, and it takes a lot of time for us. So it's
Yeah.
difficult.
yeah, probably Tuesday, I don't know, or Wednesday.
Yeah.
Okay, we could move the meetings.
Mhm.
Yeah, so but in the meanwhile, kind of in the meanwhile, have a look at the PR to see whether yeah, can provide any
Okay.
any feedback. So also Cesar, let me know. Kind of we could either okay. So after this, maybe we kind of do a doodle poll to see whether we can have a good time slot and then move over there and to
Sure.
see. Yeah. Okay,
Sure.
that's good. So Cesar. Yes. We go to this. Please look at the PR.
I just
Okay.
pasted the GitHub issue there. I don't know if that's the one.
Good idea.
Based on what you show me on the screen, it seems this is the one.
Yeah, great, thank you. Okay, so the next thing is kind of technical goals. So basically, is had a chat with John. So basically, we kind of after the MP7 release is done, and then the kind of we need to refocus to look at the basically technical goals, and also is kind of this is fourth quarter. Very soon we need to start planning another like a program plan. So we need to review what kind of things we have achieved this year. So now is a good time to review the technical goals. So the technical goals basically in the program plan. So it's the first one, consider deprecating MicroProfile context propagation. I saw the PR Nathan did today. So Nathan, do you want to provide an update for this?
Yeah, that's should be ready to merge now. It didn't look like there was any objection, just a suggestion to include a link, which I added to it. So I could either wait another week and merge it or merge it now.
So you got review, you got approval already, right?
From one committer.
Yeah, I would go ahead to merge in.
All right.
Yeah. So can you what's the PR? Did you put what's the PR number?
It's mentioned right above what you're typing.
Oh, okay. Okay, in here.
So you can see, yeah.
Issue, right.
Okay, so if you go there, right there.
Yeah. We could just say done now.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
Yeah, we close something. Done with this PR. Thank you, Nathan. Managed completed one task. And then is the other thing is improve alignment with infrastructure and for better and user experience. So I know Liberty is running MicroProfile against all the like LTS and Java SE versions. Even for MP7, we run basically all the Java SE versions. I'm wondering what other concerns, what other areas we would like to kind of focus. Any feedback on this? And also wanna say in microprofile.io, when we do compatible implementations, so when we release this, you can see here, basically all this listed. And similarly in the 6.0, you see the Yeah, great. We have 4. So it's Halliday has 21 or higher. So I think it's people is pretty much produce 17, 11 or higher. So we did 11 and 17. So it's I think it's kind of it's not like trying to utilize the newest Java versions. So what should we do with this? Are we saying we are happy with this or like complete it? Any objections if I close this?
Well, does telemetry somewhat address this?
What do you mean?
Well, with logging, right? Integration with logging systems.
Oh, you mean the telemetry basically have the observability areas, right?
Yeah. I mean, it for a better end user experience. I mean,
Oh,
it's not.
okay.
I mean, there is no tooling or anything that we have to make the experience better, but this is an area where we could probably talk more about. I don't know if this is right now is the time or not, but is there something more that we can do with cloud specific things?
Yeah. Observability. Okay, how we fix that? So it's so you are saying maybe add more kind of explanation why we have improved the alignment with the cloud infrastructure, right?
No,
John?
I mean not explanation. I mean, are there things that we can do in MicroProfile to improve
Right.
the overall experience, right? I mean, it's an open-ended question. We
Yeah.
haven't really sat down to investigate this, right?
Yeah.
As a community. So what things are there that we can do? You know, maybe step one is to pose something to the mailing list.
Good point. Okay. Okay, then I will take a to do to post this to a mailing list. Asking for some input on how better improve infrastructure. Okay. Okay, then. Let's see the leave that open. So this one, evaluate the gap with the spring. Think, let me see. Emerson, yeah, that's assigned to Emerson. I will sync up with Emerson to see how much progress he made on that. On this progress. Okay. The here continue MicroProfile decolor E alignment effort. So it's kind of the we need to basically the MP-GWT bridge really need to basically focus more this one, basically after MP7 release. So John, can you have a word with Sergey to see is kind of what next? Is yeah. Thank you, John.
Yep.
So what then, yeah, then we can revisit next time. So it's oh, that's the kind of alignment. The other thing is the developer survey. Oh, this is kind of the is the first cloud native developer survey together with Gcolor EE. So it's let's see what kind of the result will come back. So looking forward to see the result. So the next one. Resume activities on the existing MicroProfile specifications. So it's we have MP7 release with the updated specs like telemetry, fault tolerance, telemetry 2.0, fault tolerance 4.1, REST client 4.0, and Open API 4.0. So it's we like this is kind of the activities. Anyway, this is for the for this, and we haven't done much progress on others. So it's basically it's hopefully GWT with the MP-GWT bridge, that one, I think at the same time, maybe you can have a look at GWT one. Yeah. I think I will, because we still have time, I think it's we should continue with some specification update. And telemetry, we will just continue with the telemetry update as well. Are there any comments for this one?
Nope.
Okay, thanks. Here evolving. So that's good. So this is kind of the we successfully released MP telemetry 2.0 out of MP 7.0. I think we can close this one.
I think so too.
Yeah, okay, thank you. We are making progress. See, we have less to track, and then we have can focus more. Okay, so finally, evaluate new specifications. So it's basically there's a few things. One is the JWT bridge. So it's basically it's kind of the that's in progress. The other one is set converters. So we haven't got time. We haven't talked about converters. Are there any kind of comments on set on the converters?
Well, it's kind of an open question, I think, Roberto. We were talking about this probably for 18 months now, right? I think you propose. I mean, we never aggressively discussed this one, but is this still something that is of interest? I don't know if Roberto's able to reply. He has no mic. That figures. Okay.
Okay. I think converters are integrated into config at the moment somehow, or converters are in use there, and maybe separating them could make sense. But another one we have not on the list yet is within the MicroProfile AI, the LLM specification that might come up as a result of these efforts.
Yeah, it's here.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's yeah, that's the next thing we'll discuss. So we kind of basically reevaluate converter.
Yeah, that one's going to take a little bit more discussion. That's going to be an interesting discussion about innovation in specs, which we've had this discussion a few times over the years, and there isn't necessarily agreement on it, but it's still something that we should, it's something that we should talk about. In MicroProfile AI, in the context of MicroProfile AI.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, we can follow up with Roberto about converter. Yeah, when he has got a Mac. So now is kind of the MicroProfile AI. So the group is very active and working on the basically the implementation experiment smallride-LLM. The basically is plan there. So as you can see, the basically very active and there's many commit. So had some examples demonstrate the framework working with basically Glassfish, Helidon, Quarkus, also Wildfly in the basically in the PR, I think. Yeah. And also OpenLibrary also in the branch will appear here soon. Also is Luis and Fonsaco thinking maybe it's better change the Glassfish to be Piara because Glassfish is not MicroProfile kind of the implementation, but Piara is. So it would be good maybe you can easily take the Glassfish card booking and turn into a Piara, Luis or Fonsaco. Take a look and go ahead to do the PRs.
Yeah,
Is
we can check.
yeah, so it would be really nice to see Piara here as well. So that's basically I told the folks to use the Piara and for the better demonstration because you might have packaged a small right config to do the configuration. So it's
Is it the Helidon team that's working on the Helidon examples?
I think Oracle folks.
Oracles? Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's so you can see who else from Oracle.
Oh yeah, I have to. Sorry, I have to upload the call from this week. I apologize. I haven't done that.
There's yeah. So there's basically yeah. So it's a really good. Well, basically it's from a different company and etc. Attending the course, and we have a very active, basically active discussions. Anyway, so it's so far basically it's trying to experiment AI and MP config integration to plug in the LLM. User launching 4G. However, yesterday Antoine brought up actually they basically they use launching 4G and found out basically launching 4G is not basically that well while basically the API at the center is not working quite well. No, basically there's a further improvement and etc. need to be made. And I think a couple of people talked with with Spring AI. So we are thinking as a group, we might come up with MicroProfile APIs. Basically is launching 4G is no longer like strategic. So maybe we can do better than launching 4G. So this is the kind of thinking and then trying to prototype that. And also I suggest maybe bring the Spring AI folks here so we can collaborate and to see whether we can design some good APIs and then plug in the LLM. And so far there's the pillars like a RAG and chat service all here is pretty much covers a different angle. The only missing bit is the kind of the metrics aspect. So that's kind of the quick summaries for MicroProfile AI. So other things I'm was thinking because this have happened we have been doing this work for probably many months now. And then maybe we will just start laying out the plan and then prepare for a creation review for a spec to be created. So that's kind of the plan. And then with that, we will discuss further. Is basically find out whether the focus and whether objective it meets everybody's and those needs and etc. It's good to define a goal, rough goal probably, and go after it. So that's a pretty much kind of quick summary on where we are on this basically MicroProfile AI. Is at the same time is also about about this kind of a program plan.
A small comment to that. Some people from the Camel community are working on AI LLM integration too. So there are integrations to address LLM models and also vector databases for the learning process.
Right. Do you know which are they using launching or they have their own?
I think it's long chain at the moment, but there are different integrations for different aspects, and there are some blog articles. Maybe on the next AI meeting, I can collect them and present them.
Okay, so that's yeah, that's good. So basically, the plan is we want to learn from an expert, and then we can like have basically more wisdom and put it together, and then we can create a good APIs. Okay, thank you, Ian. Are there any other? So we'll keep this open. I think this probably will be a lot for this year. So and then with some hope, and then ideally, if we can get a spec created for MicroProfile AI, MicroProfile LLM, the only thing that we need to find a better name. Because when I mentioned small right LLM, people ask, oh, small right got an LLM. So we don't want to MicroProfile AI. People think, oh, we have an LLM. So it's also think about a good name for this. And the plan, I think, if we can get a creation review for basically for the MicroProfile AI, so and also repo created this year, that would be a huge, kind of achievement for the new specification. Because this year we haven't, this year, even last year, in the last 2 years, we had a 0 new spec. So that's it's a kind of the not good. We're not moving fast enough. Anyways, that's my point of view. Are there any anything else people want to bring up?
Emily, did you drop anything about AI into the minutes?
Oh, good point.
Yeah,
let me do it. Yeah.
Yep.
In here. I should.
And did you say that Helidon and Glassfish were also doing this proof of concept? Or is it just small rye for now?
Oh, that's in the small rye repo. Yeah.
Okay.
It's the proof of concept.
Oh, I see. It's in the small rye repo, but others are picking up the code.
This is pretty much people basically trying to demonstrate using Helidon and others to use the SPI and bring in the launching 4G and connect
Okay, got it. Yeah.
LLM.
Yeah.
Yeah. We put the link. Yeah. And it's a glassfish. Focus. Elegant. Some demonstration using the SPI with launching. Payara. That is. The next action. We invite basically Spring AI folks to connect with. Prototype and so the API. MPAI. And then also prepare for creation review for MPAI. Yeah. So that's the kind of the where we are with this.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay, are there anything else to be discussed? Okay, if not, that's kind of the today's basically the today's the call, and you have 10 minutes back, and then it's next week will be a live hangout. Hope to see you there. Okay.
Thank you, Emily.
All right,
Thank
thank you.
Thanks,
Bye-bye.
Em.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye bye.